Hi all, welcome to Pantechelearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Next part, we have to erode that particular image by reconstructing it, because we are having that gradient part, and at the same time it has been converted into the RGB and the discrete means especially for that blob areas. So now it must be smoothened with the help of erode. Then we have to reconstruct it. For that, IM erode. These two images should be eroded. Along with that, we have to provide for IM reconstruct. So within that particular IM reconstruct, eroded one are as well as the gradient one should be. Now therefore, we have to display the reconstructed. And finally, we have to close that particular gradient, so that enclose along with that particular enclose whatever we have opened. Okay, so that opened variable it is along with the data. Therefore, we can display that. All the images will be variables are most. Now again, if you are just applying it, therefore we have to dilate it. Okay, based on that reconstruction only, we will be able to apply the dilation. So here, that opening and closing reconstruction, that image should be dilated over there. For that, we are providing dilate. So through that particular dilation, which image we have to provide it, place which we have been applied for the reconstruction. So the reconstruct variable is A, and along with that we have to add our block. So now the reconstruction takes place. So once again we have to reconstruct it form of complement. So that and within this particular function we have to apply complement, which one means whatever the image has been dilated along with opened image. And now finally we have to combine both the images into a single image. So I am complement. So this is the way which we have completed till the range of processing. After this we have to collect the regional data for the regional max. And we have to apply means, and after that we can display. Now we have to apply the labels for the label overlay, of which image means the gradient combined with the regional data. So there are lots of image displayed over here. Now therefore, till this it can be applied for the watershed layer. So let us see the output till here now. Gradient, RGB layer, eroded, reconstructed. So this will be that layers, whatever it has been masked upon to it, where it found out as an object over here. This and all acts as a foreground. So this comes under the regional part. Now if you want to see each and every image means be better. So add wherever it is required, then we can hear data or the difference between process. Here we can see that label to RGB, gradient reduction, gradient image, grayscale. So these are the different portions till which we have applied for the watershed. Now from this we have to recover all the particular regions along with the multiple color which separates the background as well as the foreground over here. So for that, once again we have to apply the same process. Same process in the sense the sterile and close eroding those options can apply now. I am applying this. So this will be the matrix portion we are going to take, and now we have to close that particular open part. I am close along with the. Once again we have to apply the erosion for this. So this will be applied for it. Now we have to open the binary area to get a clarity situation. This will be the threshold. Now after that we have to apply for the label overlay once again for the last image down of the gradient. And therefore I can show now we are to the last before step. We have to take the background markers over here. For that the binarization. So now I am binary. Now which one we have to binarize means layer which we have reconstructed along with the foreground reduction. That area only we have to apply the in complement has been provided. That image we are about to binarize now. Now after this binarization, the threshold image will be. Now once again we have to apply that distance variation. From that the watershed can be easily applied. Therefore, binary distortion. Now distance distortion. So for which we have to apply means binarize the data. And now we have to apply watershed. Now finally to indicate the value as 0 so that it won't be displaying in whatever it has been recognized over here. Only that track marks will be there. That's only we are providing the data as. Now the final step, we are going to apply the second level of gradient, which is known as the postmin. That is one of the gradient in minimal level. So we have to take that first gradient along with whatever the distortions has been covered with the applications of iteration. Now we have to apply the last watershed. The last watershed we have to call for the second gradient. Then we have to apply the label overlay. And before that label overlay, we have to apply for the for the first iteration, the second iteration, and the third iteration, along with the dilations from that image. What are the sharpen areas? The matrix size will be declared for 3 cross 3 once. Now, along with this, the closed and the open area should be added. So this is what the dilation process. Now everything should be integrated over here for overlay along with the gradient as well as the. So now finally we have to display the. So everything is complete. Now let us execute it. So almost some outputs we have seen. Let us see the pending one. Make some spelling mistake. So this will be the final that has been trained for the segmentation. Now the background as well as the foreground has been separated and we are able to detect that where the foreground has been taken as the object. So this will be the particular applications for watershed segmentations. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.